Yeah, I have. I mean, they know, I know, and it's just, it's crazy. I mean, it's the next to last game ever, in this building. It's pretty crazy. So I certainly can feel it. I mean, as soon as you ran out to start the game, I could feel it. So, pretty cool.
Next Wednesday, what do you think you'll be thinking about? What might you be feeling emotionally?
Is next Wednesday the day of the game? Just showing up and playing. Showing up and playing and hoping my body feels pretty damn good. Where I can get up and down the floor and run, freely and, and play this game, at the highest level of competition one more time.
During the stretch, what's it been like to have kind of guys kind of line up and take like that one last like defensive challenge? Have you noticed that some of the Clippers said that they all kind of like they were switching every
Yeah, it's great. Yeah, I've definitely been noticing that, and it's been fun to see that. I mean, it's such a sign of respect, and yeah, I enjoyed watching Paul play. It's crazy to think that he and I could sit there and converse and joke around with each other when we had such a professional hatred for each other for so many years, and to watch him play and continue to play the way he's playing, and it's fun to watch, man. It's really enjoyable.